Are you willing to get punched in the face? If you have been to a tourist hotspot like Times Square or downtown Las Vegas in the last couple years, among all the sunglass vendors and street performers, you might have witnessed a weird new phenomenon. People who are willing to be punched or kicked in exchange for money. Yup, you give a complete stranger $20 or so and he grants you the right to hit him. Sounds crazy, of course it does. But here is an even crazier thought I would contend to you. As a salesperson, we have more in common with these people than you might expect. You might not subject your body to physical punishment in exchange for money, but let there be no doubt about it, if you want the monetary rewards associated with a successful career in real estate, you need to be willing to get punched in the face repeatedly. Keep watching to find out what I'm talking about. Hey, this is Syed Mohsin, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and the founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe below to get more insights on how you can grow your real estate business. All the money is in follow-up. So in your case, I'm not talking about literally getting punched in the face, but figuratively, yes, most definitely. Our statistics show only 5.6% of conversations happen upon first contact with the lead. That basically means for every 20 calls you make, you will achieve your desired outcome and 19 others will feel like a right hook landing squarely on your jawline. So here is the big question for you. Can you handle that type of rejection? Can your psyche deal with that kind of punishment day in, day out? If not, you basically have two choices. Find a foolproof lead generation source that brings business to you automatically. Marketing Edge will give you that. Or ask yourself if you are in the right line of work. Or you can adapt to accept the rejection and roll with it. Here is how. Remove the emotion. Follow the data. Here is some more fun research based on numbers from our coaching members. 68% of conversations came after 8 to 12 conversations with a prospect. Not one phone call, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven, 8 or more. Are you following up with every one of your leads 8 times? How about 12 times? If not, you're leaving money on the table, piles of it. Becoming relentless in your follow-up is a matter of expecting to be punched in the face and knowing that each time you get hit, you are one step closer to that next yes. Conversion is purely a numbers game. The more you understand that and the more you look at it from that vantage point, the more you can eliminate the emotion from it and accept it as a reality of doing business. 3 steps to highly effective follow-up. To dramatically improve your conversion skills, follow these 3 steps. Number 1, select and commit to a follow-up platform or CRM. Number 2, don't get hung up on which one it is. Just get a tool in place that will help you set up your follow-up canvas and remind you when it needs to happen. Number 3, create your formula. This really has 2 elements to it. Deciding the tools you will use to touch base with people, phone, call, text, email, in person, social media, and the schedule you will follow with each one of those methods. San Diego County super agent, my mentor Kyle Whistle, shared with me his excellent buy or die plan, which provides this proven structure to follow. Day 1 in the AM, when a lead comes in, send automated email, call within 5 minutes, send a text if you don't reach them. Day 1 PM, call again, send an email. Day 2 AM, call again, send a text. Day 2 PM, call again, send market snapshot. Day 3 to 28, call every 5 days with a dialer, send a text after 5th attempt on the 28th day. Day 29 plus, call every 30 days until they buy or die. Track and measure your own numbers. Don't rely on the 8 to 12 call statistics mentioned earlier in the video when your own business is at stake. The better you track and measure your own results, the more predictability you can bring to your business. One last thing, what drives you? After you accept that making calls and following up needs to become a regular part of your routine, after you put a plan in place, after you know your numbers, you will realize that sticking to your plan requires commitment, discipline, and perseverance. Do you know what makes all of these things easier? Answering this one word simple question: why? When you dig deep and identify the motivation behind your work, it provides a constant source of inspiration to stick to your plan and actually do the work. What do you want out of your work? Why do you do it? Define those things and keep them up and visual as constant inspirations to achieve your goals. So what's your verdict? Are you willing to figuratively get punched in the face? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you find this content useful, follow my channel, check out my other videos for more insights on growing your real estate business.